Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing professional inspection of Thai property or real estate purchase. Now, we're talking about this more in the context of like a house or even commercial property. And I did another video on this channel describing Thai condominium professional inspections. And they're somewhat similar, but one major key difference in a condo as opposed to a freestanding property is there's no juristic person with a freestanding property. And oftentimes that juristic person will go a long way in maintenance of the overall condominium project, if you will, condominium complex. And they may have something to do with maintenance of the specific condos themselves. There may be certain things they do, for example, plumbing and things oftentimes gets handled by the juristic. With a freestanding property, you don't have these same issues. So I think it's even more incumbent, it's even more imperative on somebody looking to purchase property in Thailand to go ahead and have somebody, a professional, come in and inspect the property. You're looking at things like plumbing, structure, damage in any way, water damage if there's anything like that, roofing, those kinds of things to make sure and ascertain everything associated with the property in question. And places aren't going to be perfect, but basically a professional will come in and point things out and say, ooh, that might be a problem, or you got a little crack there, but you can probably patch that, etc. In most cases where we see these professional inspections, usually what they find is sometimes it's almost pro forma. Usually what they find is fairly minor. But there are circumstances where we've had situations where a professional inspector has come in and said, you know, wow, there's a real problem with water damage on the first floor here. I mean, they've cleaned it up, but it's a real problem, etc. So again, it depends on the circumstances of the property in question, but part of one's due diligence, in my opinion, should be to have a professional inspection of a property completed before going ahead and perfecting a conveyance of a Thai property purchase.